Hello everyone, welcome back to page Multi-Minjay's Arrive. My name is Kun. Today I'm gonna share you 5 vocabulary words from lesson 30 that talk about going to the doctor. Are you ready? Let's get started. So in the first word is sore. Sore. Sore spelled S-O-R-E. Sore. For example, she woke in the morning and is feeling sore and tired. Sore. Word number 2 is disease. Disease. Disease spelled D-I-S-E-A-S-E. Disease. For example, thousands die of heart disease each year. Disease. Word number 3 is treat. Treat. Treat spelled T-R-E-A-T. Treat. For example, he doesn't treat me fairly. Treat. And word number 4 is diagnose. Diagnose. Diagnose spelled D-I-A-G-N-O-S-E. Diagnose. For example, the doctor was able to diagnose the skin condition. Diagnose. And the last word is injure. Injure. Injure spelled I-N-J-U-R-E. Injure. For example, I hope I don't injure myself. Injure. So please repeat after me one more time. Sore. Sore. Disease. Disease. Treat. Treat. Diagnose. Diagnose. Injure. Injure. Great job, everyone. Thank you so much, everyone, for your learning English with me today. And if you want to learn with the full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, you can go into YouTube link and click above or below. See you next time in the next video. Bye. God bless.